Good morning, myself Afreen Chatterjee. Today I am discussing about the persons not liable for registration and compulsory registration in certain cases. So, first we will see person not liable for registration. In Section 23 of the Central Goods and Services Tax Act 2017 deals with the provisions of persons who are not liable for GST Section 23. First is state that person who are engaged in supplying goods or services or both that are not liable to be taxed, or a person who engage in supplying of goods or services or both that are wholly exempted from tax, then such persons are not required to obtain GST registration. It means in states where persons who are engaged in supply of goods and services or both which they are not like to do something to be taxed, or a person who are engaged in supplying goods and services on both completely which are which we should pay for something from tax, then that person are not required to obtain GST registration. So next is empower the government to notify a specific category of person that are exempted from obtaining GST registration. Means giving giving power by the authority to inform a specific category of a person that are which they should pay for something from obtaining GST registration. So next, list of person exempted from obtaining GST registration. First is person engaged exclusively in providing business of supplying goods or services or both that are not liable to tax, or are wholly exempted from tax act 2016, or under integrated goods and services tax act 2017. It means the person wholly engaged exclusive in providing business of supply goods or services or both that are not like to do something to tax, or completely exempted from tax act 2016 or IGST tax under 2017. Next, in agriculture, however, the exemption is only to the extent supply of produce out of cultivation of land. It means the agriculture, however, they should not have to do something is only to extend supply of produce which they grow from cultivation of land. Next, individual advocates including senior advocates. And next is individual sponsorship service provider including players. Next is the person engaged in making interstate supply of taxable service and having a aggregate turnover of less than 20 lakhs and 10 lakhs in case of special category state in a financial year. It means the person who engage in a making supply of goods or services is when supply are in a different state of taxable service and which they having a whole formed by combining